Hello, design lovers. Welcome to Arch Zenith channel. Have you ever looked at that odd, leftover corner in your home and just sighed? The one that's too small for real furniture, but just big enough to collect dust and feel like wasted space. You're not alone. Today, we're not just decorating, we're reclaiming. We're turning those architectural afterthoughts into the most cherished, cozy havens in your entire home. And this is where good design meets smart living. Forget the overwhelm. We're breaking it down with genius, small space solutions that are equal parts functional and soul-nourishing. Segment 1. Rethink the leftover. It's not awkward, it's opportunity. The first step isn't buying anything. It's shifting your perspective. That corner isn't awkward, it's intimate. It's defined. It's a naturally sheltered spot, just begging for a purpose. Instead of seeing it as a limitation, see it as a built-in opportunity for a micro room. What does your home need more of? A moment of quiet. A dedicated workspace that doesn't take over your dining table. A tiny bar for evening wind downs. By assigning a specific, joyful function to this zone, you move from problem solving to purposeful creation. This is the core of the small space mindset that's trending everywhere. It's about intentionality over square footage. Now, let's diagnose. Grab a tape measure. The key factors here are dimensions, light, and proximity. How wide is the corner? Floor to ceiling height? Is there a nearby outlet or a source of natural light? Is this corner in your living room, bedroom, or hallway? The answers dictate everything. A bright corner near a window is prime for a plant sanctuary or a reading perch. A darker nook in the living room might become a dramatic, moody audio listening spot or a gallery wall focal point. The trending search term you're mastering here is dead space makeover, and it's all about this audit phase. Armed with your measurements and intent, the fresh idea is to build up and in. Floor space is limited, so your vertical real estate is king. Think floating shelves that ascend the corner itself, creating a ladder-like display for books, objects, and trailing plants. This draws the eye upward, makes the ceiling feel higher, and uses zero footprint. Or consider a corner-specific shelving unit. They exist. That fits snugly like a puzzle piece. This isn't about shoving furniture in, it's about custom tailoring the space. So, before you shop, sit in the corner. Literally, see the sightlines, Feel the atmosphere. This personal connection is what will transform a generic idea into your haven. Is it a spot for your morning coffee, your evening journal, your hobby supplies? Naming its purpose is the most powerful design tool you have. This segment is the foundation, the why before the what. Segment 2, the multifunctional magic furniture that earns its keep. Here's where the magic happens, choosing the anchor piece. In small space design, every item must be a multitasking champion. For a seating nook, skip the bulky armchair. Instead, look for a slim profile accent chair, or better yet, a small apartment swivel chair, a huge trend because it's dynamic and fun. Even more genius, an ottoman with hidden storage inside. It's a footrest, it's extra seating when guests come over, and it stashes blankets, magazines, or remotes. That's 3 functions in one footprint. If your haven is a workstation, the classic small desk for corner search is your friend, but elevated. Don't just get a desk. Get a wall-mounted fold-down desk that literally vanishes when you're done working. Or a supremely narrow console table that doubles as a desk and a display surface. Pair it with a wall-mounted pegboard above, a perennial favorite for organizers to keep supplies off the desk surface. This creates a layered, functional zone that feels dedicated but not domineering. For a bohemian-inspired relaxation corner, think texture and levels. Instead of a chair, use a pile of large, firm floor cushions and a low, corner-hugging daybed. Add a tiny, rustic stool that acts as a side table. The key is lightweight, flexible pieces you can reconfigure. This taps into the Japandi and high corner trends. All about low-level, grounded comfort and natural materials that promote calm. The furniture isn't heavy or permanent. It's an invitation to sit on the floor and unwind. Finally, don't forget the power of the built-in. A simple, custom-cut piece of wood bracketed to the 2 walls creates a perfect, seamless, floating desk or shelf. It looks polished, uses otherwise useless airspace, and feels utterly intentional. This is the ultimate hack for truly challenging, narrow corners. It whispers, "This was always meant to be here." Multifunctional doesn't mean cluttered. It means clever, curated, and supremely efficient. Segment 3. The Ambience Alchemist, layering light and texture. Your corner is framed and furnished. Now we breathe life into it. This is where a spot becomes a haven. Lighting is non-negotiable. Overhead lights are the enemy of coziness. You need layered, warm, intimate light. This is the #1 rule for cozy aesthetic spaces. Start with a plug-in wall, sconce mounted just above sitting height. It frees up floor and table space. No wiring needed. Then add a small, portable, rechargeable lamp on a shelf for a glow from a different level. Next, introduce a floor lamp with a slender profile, a tripod lamp, or a sleek arc lamp that curves over a chair, creating a perfect pool of light for reading. The goal is to have at least 2 light sources at different heights. This creates a beautiful, flattering, and incredibly inviting glow that makes you want to curl up and stay a while. It's the cinematic quality you see in all those inspiring Pinterest and Instagram feeds. Now, texture. This is the tactile soul of your haven. Drape a chunky knit throw over the chair. Place a small, plush rug underneath to define the zone and add softness underfoot. Add a velvet cushion, a woven basket for storage, and the organic touch of a plant. A snake plant or a ZZ plant thrives in lower light if that's your situation. This mix of knits, woods, ceramics, and greenery is what delivers the sensory experience. It's not just visual, it's feelable. The final atmospheric touch, sound and scent. A tiny Bluetooth speaker hidden on a shelf for a quiet playlist. Or the simple, trending luxury of a small, elegant water fountain for white noise. A discreet diffuser or a beautiful candle on a small, high shelf safely adds the last layer of ambience. These elements signal to your brain, this is a place for retreat. It's a full sensory reset button built into your home. Segment 4. Your personal sanctuary, the curated final touch. The last step is what makes it uniquely yours, the curation. This is where we move from showroom to soulful. Your haven should tell a story. On those floating shelves, don't just style display a few favorite books, a meaningful piece of pottery from a trip, a small collection of vintage glass, or your sketching materials arranged beautifully. This is the quiet luxury and personal sanctuary trend in action. Less clutter, more significance. Create a micro-gallery wall in the corner using small, framed art, postcards, or even fabric swatches hung with simple clips. Frame it within the two walls to lean into the coziness. This draws you into the nook. Add a tiny hook on the side for hanging your favorite cozy cardigan or a lightweight blanket, making the space not just beautiful, but ready for use in an instant. It's about lived-in ease. Remember, a haven evolves. Let it be fluid. Maybe this month, it's your reading corner. Next season, you swap the chair for a small easel and it becomes your art studio nook. The structure, the shelves, the lighting stays. The function can dance. This adaptability is the ultimate small space superpower. It keeps your home dynamic and responsive to your life. So, look at that corner again. Do you see it now? Not as a problem, but as a blank canvas for a better, cozier, more functional daily life. It's waiting for you to say, "This is my spot." Start with one idea, one shelf, one perfect lamp. Build your havens slowly and with love. And when you do, I'd love to see it. Share your before and afters in the comments below. If this sparked ideas for you, give this video a like, subscribe for more design alchemy, and let me know what other space puzzles you'd like me to solve next. Until then, go claim your corner.